Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. First of all, for this we need an app. To get this app, we can get it from the Microsoft Store. So what we need to do is go and open up the Microsoft Store. So in Microsoft Store, you can type in the search bar translucent TB just like so, and this is a free app. As you can see, here it is. So go and click on it and click on this get here. Once it's finished downloading, you can then go and click on open just like this, and as you can see, it has made our taskbar transparent. There is a few settings we can customize though, so let me go and press on continue. And to edit the settings of the taskbar, you need to come for the bottom right and press on this show hidden icons button and find the translucent TB icon, which is this one here. You can right click on it and then you want to go to the desktop and you can then choose what you want. You can click on normal or you can choose any other options here, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.